Today we're working on a mount for a shock, and this is what we got to cut out. There was 2 bumps, we got to cut them both out. Then we're gonna weld that puppy in and we'll be good to go to hook the shock back up. So there you go. So now we got it all ground out. Got to put this baby back in the same spot it was in, which is gonna be really easy because there's lines. And boom, set the angle right there. Stick it in place, tack weld it, keep it moving. So we got 2 tack welds in, one there, one on the other side. Shock lines up, down the bottom and the top. Now we're gonna go ahead and go weld crazy. So now we got it welded pretty dang on good. Got some side weld, top weld around the edges, more than it was factory. Now we're gonna hit it with some paint. We're just more or less trying to block it from rusting. We're gonna hit it with the signature orange paint in a second. Oh yeah, get that gray one there, baby. Primer, baby. I call this powder coat. Nice and hot. Paint's all bubbling. Let it dry for a couple minutes. You almost always know if Rick's welded on your car, because if it's nothing special but it just needs coated, I always got that orange around. Always got that orange around. I love it when it's nice and hot still because it just sucks the paint in. It's great. There you go, man. Let's see, choose the camera to see how much paint we got in there. Okay. I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh yeah, baby. Let it dry. Let it steaming. The finished product, nice and sexy looking and shocked up. Oh yeah. Like and subscribe.